Good afternoon, folks. Today I want to show you how to check your Canvas course on an iPhone without using an iPhone. Grab a cup of coffee and let's check it out. I'm going to start with a course that I have, one I made last October. I'm looking at this course on a computer, so it looks as I expect, but I want to see how this quiz looks on an iPhone. I can do that from within Google Chrome by going to this horizontal ellipsis, sometimes called the hamburger or hot dog icon, not joking, and choosing More Tools and then Developer Tools. Now, the Developer Tools has quite a bit of stuff we're not interested in right now. It's honestly rather confusing. So let's focus by popping that window out so we can manage it just a little bit better. Okay, we have our DevTools window open, but all we really want is what's called responsive mode, this icon right here. Boom, now we can focus on our main Google Chrome window. As you can see, mine defaulted to the iPhone SE, and that's great, but it doesn't look quite right. I think we should go back to the main Canvas page here and come back in. It's just something I've noticed with these DevTools. That should give us a fresh view of our course. There we go, that's what I'm looking for. Now, it's a little cramped on the iPhone, but that's to be expected. What I'm really looking for is something that might prevent a student from getting to the content, like a display error or a problem where someone on an iPhone can't see the video or the link or the file attachment. Now, this is also available in Firefox if that's your preferred browser. Just go to the menu or the hamburger button and choose Web Developer Responsive Design Mode. It's very similar to Chrome, and you'll find your way around in no time. Thanks for taking a quick break with me, and I hope you found this helpful. See you next time.